Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, park view rear backup camera, alloy wheels, Sirius XM satellite radio, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, steering wheel controls, keyless entry, tire pressure monitoring system, heated door mirrors, and much more. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.